Dear student, today we are going to discuss the play Dance Like a Man. So, first of all, we have to take in mind the brief information about the play writer Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani's play Dance Like a Man is one of the best plays written by an Indian in English. He is the first playwright in English to have won Sahitya Academy Award. This is the most prestigious award given by Government of India for the classic literature. Classic means the literature of highest order, and Mahesh Dattani is one of them. He has received that prestigious prize for his first play, Dance Like a Man, Sahitya Academy Award. He chooses topics which are usually never being spoken about in society. Such topics are always debated in the society and are usually seen discussed in his plays and exhibited on the stage in a very good manner. Dear student, there are some topics, some social topics, political topics, or any financial or any such topics are emotionally tormented character in his play generally try to say something about the society. That topics are generally avoided by the other playwrights. But Mahesh Dattani is a playwright who always wanted to explore that as some type of topic with the help of his plays. And when these plays are performed on the stage, we are get aware about the various facets of the human society. The stage has all the technicalities which take a play to different level. Mahesh Dattani likes to play with the lights, and this has different connotations attached to it, which when one reads find it difficult to imagine. There is a difference in the book and play that is performed on the stage or theater. Dear student, when that particular book is written, that is enjoyed reading in private room. But if that particular plays are performed on the stage, there are other technical issues that have to be maintained. And such we can say when plays are performed on the stage, there are arrangement of lightings and other curtains and other lighting effects that generally create extra impact on the mind of reader, on the mind of audiences. The characters are usually Indian and have some problem which are not socially unacceptable. Dattani comes here and show how the society and idiosyncrasies of the individual work. Dance Like a Man title itself suggests that man is supposed to do the work which suits the man, not pursue their career in anything else which makes them less of a man. So the title of our play is Dance Like a Man. The title itself suggests what it suggests, that man is supposed to do work, means man is supposed to do work means man have to do that particular work which suits, that is very appropriate for the man, and not pursue their career in anything else which makes less of a man. It means if we are man, we are human being, we have our ambitions, and as a man means there is not we can say the gender discrimination. As a man means as a perfect human being, we have to pursue our career that is really interested, that is really ambitious in ourselves, that we want to achieve that by our heart, by our whole nerve and sinew, we can say. If we want to take that particular aims in our life, that is, if any person wants to be a dancer, and that dancing is his most favorable occupation, favorable ambition, that he must take that occupation, take that aims to fulfill in his life. But if there are some we can say hindrances from our families, from the society, there are some obstacles created by the society and other personalities, we should not pay our heed towards them. We must pay our attention to our aim, and that is the only way to be like a perfect human being in the society. That's why the title of that particular play is Dance Like a Man. Here the title means to say that the protagonist's father doesn't want his son to become or behave
500 रुपये
doesn't want his son to become or behave like a woman, and that he should not pursue his career in the dance. And this is the incident that the protagonist of this particular essay is a man, but his father doesn't like that his son behave like a woman, wearing saris and sari like attire and dance in front of the people. That is, he consider that dancing is the only particular that work, that is the occupation of the woman, and that's why his father doesn't want his son to behave like a woman. And that's why that particular the Dance Like a Man, the title itself suggests that if such type of hindrance are there, such type of obstacles are created by the society or relatives and our near ones, but we should not pay attention towards them. We must concentrate about in our about on our aim. And if you really want that particular aim to achieve, you must pay heed towards, you must avoid the other hindrances and just concentrate on your aim. That's it. That's why that the particular title of that particular play is Dance Like a Man. Here man's, you should not take man as a gender. You should take it as the broader term. Man means having the capabilities like a perfect human being. The Dance Like Man is 2-act stage play. The story revolves around 3 generations, their personal ambition, their sacrifices, their struggle and the compromises, internal conflict, and the way they cope up with life, and dance being a major topic of discussion in the house, as it is topic of debate between the father and his son and daughter-in-law. And so, in nutshell, we must keep in mind the Dance Like a Man is 2-act stage play. You may be asked in question, how many acts are there in the play Dance Like Man? You must keep in mind the answer. The Dance Like Man is the 2-act stage play. The story revolves around the 3 generations. 3 generations means father, son, and his also son. Father, son, and we can say grandchildren. This revolves around the 3 generations, their personal ambition, their personal aim, their sacrifices. They have lot of to sacrifice, and their struggle and their compromises. They have to compromises with their society, with their ambitions, with their whatever. When we discuss in detail the whole story about this particular play, we will come to know that what type of sacrifices they have to perform, they have to do. Internal conflict is one of the factors there that we have to discuss, and the way they cope up with the life, and dance being a major topic of discussion in the home among the son, father, and daughter-in-law. Dattani is in the very start of the plays put a question on the man's identity and his sexuality. The title itself suggests so. The play deals with the self and the significance of the other in the manner of gender-specific role assigned by the society, and how, if you deviate from it, you are being sidelined by the people and the society. This is the gender discrimination, we have to say. Our society has decided the particular gender have to perform that particular role in life. If that is woman, he should dance. If that is man, he should not dance. If there is a girl, she can perform on the stage, but there is, if the boys, he should fight on the border for our plays, or he should perform the other occupations that other, generally the other people in the society perform. If you want to, if you try to deviate from them, if you want to violate the regulation composed by the society, you are taken sideline, you are being sidelined by the people and the society. People ultimately throw them off the society, and they try to, we can say, such type of gender discrimination generally we find in the society. And in spite of that, how if any person is doing his or pursuing his own aim, sidelining the other obstacles created by society, that particular person is, we can say, is taken sideline by the people and the society. We have the character in this particular play, Jairaj husband, he is a dancer, Ratna, the Jairaj wife, Amrutlal, father of Jairaj, Lata, daughter, and Vishwa, son-in-law. These are some principal character in the play. Plot and analysis. The story revolves around the three generations. Jairaj and Ratna wants to develop their career as a dancer. These are the most important character. Jairaj and Ratna, this is couple of a husband and wife. They wanted to develop their character as a career as a dancer, and dance from them is not only their passion but also their life and soul. And they are so engrossed, they are so enchanted by their career that dance is their soul, not only their career. They want to live with dance, otherwise they wanted, they should die. In such way we can say the dance is like soul, like we can say one type of spirit in them. If there is no dance, they will not live altogether. The such type of condition is there. Jairaj and Ratna wants to develop their career as a dancer, and dance from them is not only their passion but also their life and soul. They want to develop their career in this field, and the stereotypes of gender role are set in the society. In spite of that, Jairaj goes out to pursue his career as a dancer, and this is the stereotypes of gender role. What is gender role? Gender roles means if you are girl, you have to perform the work that is suited to girl. If you are boy, you have to do the work that is suited to boy. So these are gender discrimination we generally find in the society, and stereotype of gender, stereotypes of gender roles. So if the Jairaj is a man, and if he wants to perform his, on the stage, he has to wear the dress like a woman and also dance like a woman. That's why that is against the rules and regulation of the society. So in spite of that, all the obstacles, Jairaj wants to develop his career as a dancer. So he avoids, generally we can say he violate the regulations, gender stereotype of gender role. He also try to violate this the stereotype and try to follow his own ambition. This is the twist that the playwright gives to the stereotypes associated with the gender issue, that view solely a woman at the receiving end of the oppressive power structure of the society. The play flips open in the opposite gender's point of view and show that even men can be part or victim to such circumstances by being oppressed, suppressed by the opposite gender and the society. So we can, when we will go through this particular story, we will come to know that the only woman is not subjected to oppression by the society, but if any man is against the rule and regulation of the society, he is also oppressed by the society. We cannot, if anybody, that may be man or woman, if they go against the rule and regulation or stereotypes of the gender roles, they have to be suppressed by the other society and other persons. Jairaj and Ratna have to live within a domain of Patriarch Amritlal, father of Jairaj. Patriarch means we can say that whole family is governed by the power of patriarch. Patriarch means the father. Matriarch means the power of mother. If patriarchy means the man has to play the role, that is that man has to govern the whole family. He has the only power to govern the family. There is nothing anyone else who has to put forward their thoughts while living in the family. If that father, the head of the family, suggests anything, you all have to follow that. If you are against that rule and regulation of the father, you have to pay for them. So the patriarch means the पुरुष प्रधान संस्कृती आपण ज्याला म्हणतो. तिथे कसं पुरुषांनी जे नियम ठरवले ते सगळ्यांना फॉलो करावे लागेल आणि पुरुष हेच त्या घरचे काय राहील, प्रमुख राहील. आणि फादर इज वन ऑफ the head of that particular family, and he ordered something. If he decide something, there is should not be any impulses, should not be any examples of avoiding the rules and regulation formed by the head of the family. So the patriarch Amritlal, father of Jairaj, here is the Amritlal who is the father of Jairaj, who is totally, we can say, orthodox person. And he doesn't want his son to behave like a woman while dancing. Dance for Amritlal is a profession of the prostitute. Prostitute means तुम्हाला माहीत असेल की पिक्चरमध्ये वगैरे तुम्ही पाहता जे कोठे दिसतात आपल्याला, तुम्ही तो देवदास वगैरे पिक्चर बघितला असेल तर माधुरी दीक्षितचा जो आपल्याला हे पाहायला मिळते कोठा, त्याला आपण प्रॉस्टिट्यूट म्हणतो. की त्यांचं कामच असते लोकांचं काय करणे, मनोरंजन करणे. तर त्यांचं काम आहे डान्स करणे. अकॉर्डिंग टू Amritlal, the prostitute, the dance is only the procession of prostitute, which is why he cannot accept his daughter-in-law learning it, and is unimaginable for his son to learn it and make career out of it. And that's why he is totally against the dancing. That according to him, dance is the only profession of prostitute, and when he learns about the dance, his own daughter-in-law is learning dance, his own son is going to perform on the stage, they are learning dance, they wants to develop their career in dancing. He is infuriated and he doesn't want that his son and daughter-in-law should develop their career in the dance, because according to him, dance is the profession of prostitute. So mostly this is also because he was a reformist, and people would laugh at him for Jairaj's action, and his reputation would be sacrificed. According to, as far as the character of Amritlal is concerned, he is one of the most respectable person in the society. He is reformist. He wants to do some reform in the society, and if his own son is behaving like the prostitute, means his own son behaving like the woman while dancing, the other would laugh at him, and his reputation would be sacrificed. So he is totally against the profession chosen by his son and daughter-in-law. Okay, dear student, the remaining part we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.